The difference between trauma and personality is that trauma obviously is something that happens to you. Personality is something that is biologically determined. What happens is, I think particularly since COVID, people have really researched more about mental health, have gotten more into mental health and understanding it, and coming with that would be the word trauma. And what happens is people can take that word trauma and then attribute it to every negative aspect of their lives and say, oh, it's a result of trauma. It's kind of like that saying that if you give somebody a hammer, then everything becomes a nail. And it's like when people learn what trauma means, then they attribute trauma to every negative aspect of their lives. I'm so anxious, it must be because something traumatic happened to me when I was 6 years old, right? But that's not necessarily the case. Anxiety, I think, is a great example of that. Someone could be very anxious, and it could be from trauma, but it also could just as equally be part of their personality. That as part of their personality from birth, they're simply more sensitive to